Good morning, people. Right, so I've had a few people asking me what's happened with Tony's case. You know, what happened in September with the court hearing. We went through it till mid-afternoon, till just after afternoon break, and because of a question the defence asked, the judge decided to adjourn the proceedings until the 21st of November is when we'll be going back to Manukau, to adjourn the proceedings because she had a concern over a question we asked one of the witnesses on the stand. So she's ordered a transcript just to see exactly what was asked. The question was that we asked the witness, was he aware that New Zealand police had breached his privacy and supplied us an address. We thought it was his home address. Turns out it's his work address. But the judge is thinking that we're trying to threaten or intimidate a witness on the stand when, quite frankly, all we're trying to do is point out that the police had breached his privacy, and to make him aware of that. So we'll see how we get on with that one. It went on for hours. We had the Jetstar chick come up first, and we had the operation controls chick that was dealing with the cameras come up second. Then we had the security guy. We didn't get to the cops yet, and we haven't even finished playing the entire video. But we'll see how the judge goes on there for that one on the 21st of November. Like I say, we'll be back. Hopefully Tony will be supplied the transcript by then. Or Manukau could just stay in par with what it normally does and fuck up everything and not supply anybody anything that they ask for, because I'm still waiting for transcripts from January. I'm still waiting for transcripts from June. And the Manukau District Court Registry is an absolute fucking joke and can't do any of their jobs. The correct forms have been filled out months ago. Still waiting. So, yeah. So as far as Tony's case, that's where we stand. I'll give you a quick update. I'm not going to devolve too much more about it. When we were in there, I will say that the security, Gary, Gazza, the manager at Manukau, they were all really, really brilliant. They all continually reiterated about recording in the court building and no recordings to be done, which I think hypocritical, because they were all recording us the whole time we're in there. And I have emails from senior solicitors and Ministry of Justice saying it's not a criminal offence to record in those buildings. All they can do is revert to trespass and civilly kick you out. Well, that's brilliant. Just get a ticket and get invited back. So, but yeah, so that's where we stand there with Manukau. All the security real good. Not one security, not even the judge. The judge reamed me over being a Mackenzie friend at the start. I had to answer a whole heap of questions for her, but not one of them asked Tony if he was recording or anything like that. And the difference being is that because I'm not a party to the proceedings, I didn't have a right to record, whereas Tony does. Tony has a right to record all of those proceedings, irrespective of what they think. So, yeah, perhaps that's why they didn't tell him, because they didn't want to infringe on his rights. So that's the update for Tony. Catch you later. Take care.